Hi Leo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, we're going to see the romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening, what's going on. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you, Leo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in the relationship. Okay, what are the strong energies and messages for Leo, please? Okay. Mirror reflection. Being away from you has allowed me to gain clarity. Reveal. I want to tell you the truth. Okay. Runner, I don't want to run anymore. Okay. Habits, I don't know if we will ever change. Okay. There is some truth na kailangan sabihin or i-reveal sa inyong person or your person. Meron siyang gustong sabihin sa inyo. Okay. Habits. I don't know if we will ever change. Magkakaroon pa ba ng pagbabago sa inyong relasyon? Mag-i-improve pa ba? Okay. Someone doesn't want to run anymore. You have triggered me. Okay. The passion is too much. Okay. There's that. I cannot let go of you. Merong taong gustong-gusto sa inyo, Leo. Or it's the other way around. Okay. They cannot let you go. Okay. Lagi kang nasa isip niya. I need to hold back my true feelings for you. Yeah. For some of you, you feel something special to someone, pero you're just holding back. Okay? Hindi mo ma-express. Pinipigilan mo ang inyong nararamdaman sa taong iyon. Admiration, okay? Crush man to, or whatsoever. The passion is too much. You are very attracted to someone else, Leo, or this is the other way around, okay? Tingnan natin. Oops. For Leo, anong messages from the tarot for Leo, please? Love and romance. Okay. For some of you, you are also dealing with a fire sign. Leo, Aries, yes, Sagittarius, Temperance. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Ano tong Knight of Wands for Leo. Okay. You feel sad or disappointed. Leo, maybe there is rejection. Maybe your person has a family, okay? And this is a challenge for you. Yeah. You are dealing with person who is younger, okay? Yeah. Passionate person, okay? Let's see, ano yung Knight of Wands, please? Okay. Yeah, your person wants to express how he or she feels about you. Gusto kanyang, yeah, he or she wants to take action. And gusto niya express ang kanyang nararamdaman sa inyo, Leo. Okay. Yeah. He or she is very attracted to you. Yeah. Gusto niya makipag-usap sa inyo, okay? Malalim na pag-uusap. Okay. Sharing some secrets. Your person wants to take action on you. Yes. He or she wants to express how they feel about you. Okay. There is intimacy. Strong ang bonding, ang relationship. Yung passion sa isa't isa. Yeah, passion is too much. Okay. Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay. But you know, your person is just controlling herself or himself. Yeah. Six of Cups. Family. Okay. Maybe your person is just waiting for the right time to see you and to express kung anong kanyang nararamdaman. Maybe there is a blockage, okay? Maybe the person that you're dealing with is also busy attending to his or her family, okay? Yeah. Yeah, your person is also controlling, kinokontrol niya lang din ang kanyang nararamdaman sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. King of Cups. How you wish also to express your love to your person, okay? Parang merong blockage, merong challenge because of this family. Okay? Mahal mo yung person, may special feelings ka sa kanya. You care a lot about him or her. Okay? Pero parang hindi mo lang din ma-express because you feel there is restriction. Okay? Control is needed in the situation. Okay? Waiting for the right time. Patience is needed. Okay. But you know, the person, your person, merong mutual respect. Okay? You share, merong mutual respect and support sa isa't isa. Pero meron lang restraint. Okay? Self-restraint sa part ng person ninyo. Maybe because of the family, because of the children. Okay, Leo. Yeah. And you, Leo, you feel sad about this, that you cannot express freely your love or your desire to your person. What is this 10 of Cups? Yes, again. Okay, 6 of Pentacles. Yeah. The time and attention of the person is divided. Okay. For some of you, Leo, nagsiselos ka dahil yung person mo is parang mayroon siyang, parang busy siya, okay, sa family niya. Hindi ka nabibigyan ng atensyon at ng oras ng person mo, Leo. Yeah. You want fairness in the situation. Yes. Okay, your person is also attracted to you. Okay, physically also. Aside from your traits and character, physically he or she is attracted. Okay. Yeah. Your person wants to meet up with you, okay? There is intimacy, closeness, bonding, but then he or she needs to control yung sarili niya, okay? Merong nagbablock, merong challenges about sa family, and you feel sad about this, Leo. What is this 9 of Cups? The Chariot, okay. Yeah. There will be meet up for some of you, and this will make you very happy. Also your person, okay. For some of you, Leo, you are going towards this person. Visitation. Maybe you're going to visit him or her. Okay, and this is something that will make you very happy, or maybe your person will visit you. Yes. It's going to be a wish come true for you. You feel so much joy and happiness when you see this person, Leo. Okay? Yeah. Ace of Swords. What is this Ace of Swords? Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords. Yes. You want each other. Okay? You have to express kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa person mo and your person as well. Okay? Merong potential ang inyong relationship. Okay? Truth will be revealed na gusto nyo ang isa't isa. Yeah. Conversation is needed, communication, okay? You have the same, parang pareho kayong iniisip. Okay. Merong potential sa inyong relationship. Okay? Parang similar rin kayo ng mindset. At the same time, parang nagkakaintindihan kayo about the situation. Yung situation ninyong dalawa. Okay. There is flirtation, okay? You both, but you are just controlling, or your person is just controlling it. He or she doesn't want to, parang gusto niya yung parang subtle lang. Okay. Kinokontrol niya ang kanyang nararamdaman. Gusto niya lang ng balance. Looking at parang casual. Okay. Ayaw niya magpadala-dala din sa kanyang emosyon. Okay. But pareho kayo ng iniisip. You are both attracted to each other. There will be meet up and conversation. This will make you very happy, Leo. Okay. And your person also. Okay. For some of you, your person is very busy. Okay. Parang naghahanap lang din ng tamang pagkakataon or oras or ng tiyempo ang inyong person para makipagkita sa inyo. Maybe your person will visit you and or you will visit them. Yes. Okay. Tingnan natin paano pa yung ibang messages for you. Just take what resonates for you, Leo. For some of you, this is the other way around. Your person misses you so much. Parang hindi niya din ma-express ang kanyang nararamdaman because busy siya, madami siyang ginagawa. Family affairs or whatsoever. For some of you, merong ibang family yung person mo. Okay, that's why merong self-restraint sa part ng person ninyo. Okay. Self-control because children is merong issues about children or concerns about children or family. Okay. But you are both attracted to each other. You shared similar minds. Okay. You are both attracted to one another. See? Okay. For Leo. Let's see kung ano yung mga iba pang messages for Leo, please. For Leo. Freedom. There is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Give thanks for the blessings of love soon to come your way. Know that you deserve to be and have all that your heart truly desires. Okay. Trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. Okay? So, Leo, there will be a wish come true. Yung wini-wish mo, hino-hope mo na magkita kayo. Yes, there will be meet up. There will be conversations, okay? Yeah. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Leo. Maraming salamat sa'yo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!